First MCQs we have, that is the two machines dash considerably. One has an electric motor, the other runs on oil. A. Differ. B. Differentiate. C. Differential. Which one is the correct option in these three? So the correct option is A. Differ. The two machines differ considerably. One has an electric motor, the other runs on oil. A is the correct option. Differ. Second we have, that is the dash and weather between the north and the south of the country is very noticeable. A. Comparison. B. Contrast. C. Compare. Which one is the correct option in these three? The correct option is B. Contrast. B is the correct option. The contrast in weather between the north and the south of the country is very noticeable. Is the correct option. Next MCQ we have, that is the new model of car is very to the old one. That means the new model of car is very dash to the old one. A. Same. B. Similar. C. Common. Which one is the correct option in these three? Correct option is B. Similar. The new model of car is very similar to the old one. The correct option is B. Similar. Next MCQ we have, that is our political opinions are dash to mine. A. Same. B. Exactly. C. Identical. Which one is the correct option in these three? The correct option is C. Identical. Her political opinions are identical to mine. The correct option is C. Identical. Five we have, that is very important. British and Australian people share the same language, but in other respects they are as different as A. Cats and dogs. B. Chalk and cheese. C. Salt and pepper. Which one is the correct option in these three? British and Australian people share the same language, but in other respects they are as different as. Which one is the correct option in the following these three? The correct option is B. Chalk and cheese. B is the correct option. British and Australian people share the same language, but in other respects they are as different as chalk and cheese. B is the correct option. Chalk and cheese.